Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find Wi-Fi password on Android. So let's get started. With iPhone, it's very easy to find out Wi-Fi password of the connected network. But on Android, it is somewhat tricky to find out connected Wi-Fi network password. First open Settings app on your Android device. Now tap on Connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi option. Here you will find all the available networks along with the Wi-Fi network that you are connected. Now tap on gear icon next to the connected Wi-Fi network. Now at the bottom, tap on QR code. This will generate QR code containing details like Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. Tap on Save as Image option and QR code image will be saved to the mobile gallery. Next, open any web browser and search for QR code decoder. Open first website, Zing Decoder Online. Now on the website homepage, tap on Choose File option. Now tap on Files and select the QR code image that we just saved. Tap on Submit button. On the next screen, you will find Wi-Fi network name and a password next to P colon. So the second entry will be the Wi-Fi password. So that is how you can find Wi-Fi password on Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.